Hi y'all, it's me, Darla G, and today I'm gonna show y'all a dipped military braid. So I'm doing this one in shades of blue. So I'm gonna start with navy blue, and then I'll go to, so here's the navy blue, and I'll do both sides navy blue first. The next one is going to be the royal blue color. Again, both sides. And then the next is going to be this shade of blue. Let's see if y'all can. And then the fourth and final color is going to be this gray color. It's actually like a ice blue or something, but it's more gray. And that one, of course, looks black just in this lighting, but it's not. It is navy blue. You can kind of see it there. So, to start off, I cut all of these colors in 1 yard strips. Well, doubled, so I cut 2 yards, right, of each one. And that's for one side. So essentially it will be like this, but one at a time, right? And then for the other side, I cut 2 yards again of each color, and it'll be doubled. It'll be folded in half. So you're working with 1 yard of each color at a time. It's just I'm doing them doubled. So I have them all pre-cut here. And the first step is going to be, I'm going to start with the lightest color and go down. So here I have my light gray or light bluish gray. It's mostly just light gray. And you get it ready just like a regular military braid. So you've got it doubled here. And I'm just gonna crease it. And we'll do the same for the other one. And so we have it started here. I'm trying to get this light a little bit better. I have it started here. This is 7/8 inch ribbon of the sateen, whatever that is, the, not satin, but the acetate, satin stuff. And I have both shiny sides outward, so the flat side together. I'm just gonna put a staple right here and leave enough space here to loop through, and we'll just do a regular military braid for this first yard of ribbon on each side. So you make the loop, put it through, you want to make sure to leave plenty of slack, but not too much. So it tends to get a little harder with the 7/8 inch than it does with the smaller, but not really hard. Just the tension is, sometimes you have to take a minute to get it right. So the way I kind of do that is sort of just smash it in the middle a little bit to make sure that it has plenty of room to do its thing without curving or pulling on the others. Okay, so when you get closer to... We're coming up on the next color now, the royal blue. We're doing the same thing. I added it to there with a little piece of tape, double-sided tape. And I'm continuing down. Again, double-sided. And I just kind of like touch it to the ground to make sure that it lays flat is how I do it. But here's the colors so far. Here's the gradation. All right. And now we are on to the last color, the navy blue. Just added it with the tape. Double-sided tape. You could add a dot of hot glue, I'm sure, if you're really careful not to make it bleed through on the other side of the ribbon. Again, I'm doing this one in the 7/8 inch ribbon. Okay, and I just finished this one up and put a staple on the end. And now we have our dipped ombre blue, shades of blue military braid. What do y'all think? All right, thanks guys.